Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games, now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time, we got older, babe, yeah, but I wanna stay with you, and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe?
guys, it's your girl Bree, and I am back with another day in the life video. Y'all, look, I already told y'all I wanted to start vlogging more, and I know some of y'all wanted to see my skincare routine, so I decided to do a day in the life today since I'm working from home. So as you know, in Dallas we've had a ton of snow come literally out of nowhere, so this is my first day this week working from home, okay? And it's been a struggle for you, girl, okay? I'm not gonna do one of those old pretty videos where it looks like I'm a morning person and I'm getting up and getting dressed. Y'all, look, when I'm working from home, I'm in something comfortable, okay? And I normally try to put on a shirt that I won't mind rolling over and just start working with, because I know I'm not a morning person, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. I just went downstairs and made my tea, and I have a donut stick. This is realistic for me. I wasn't gonna pretend like, you know, I get up and make eggs and bacon every morning. I do sometimes, but today is not one of those days. Like I said, this is my first day working from home because of the snow. So I have my stuff set up right next to the bed, because just in case it was real hard for me to get up, I wanted my stuff to be right here. And as you can see, I've already signed in, have everything pulled up. As you guys know, I do medical billing. My actual job title is medical review coordinator, you guys. Medical biller, I just put that because that's the most simple way to put what I am. Medical review coordinator, that'll be a real long title. But I know a lot of people are asking me a lot of questions because they're in school to become, I guess you would call it a coding and billing or billing and coding specialist. You guys, I did not go to school for that. My degree is actually in something completely different. I'll have to sit down and give y'all a story time of how I got in this position, but I have been in this position for some years, y'all, and I'm a pro at what I do, okay? Not to toot my own horn, but I don't actually code anything, you guys. The team who codes stuff and gets it out, that's a whole nother team. They do that, and then once it's denied, that's where I come in. I make sure that the company gets their money, okay? So medical review. So once it denies, it comes back to me, and we basically gather up all of the info, all the documents, all the paperwork, basically to plead our case on why we should be paid. And myself and one other young lady, we're a team of two. Our department is just us two, and we do that together, okay? She does follow up, and I do the actual part of sending all the documents out, making sure that we have everything uploaded, making sure that the patient's name, all basic info and everything is correct, and making sure that every document is there accounted for so that we can try to get paid, okay? Now, my main focus is home health, but we do help out also on the hospice side as well. Now, it is one of those jobs that's kind of like tedious, you guys. It's a lot, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be okay. Like I said, I don't do any of the actual coding. I get things ready for CMS, okay? You know, anything about Medicare, they're constantly changing stuff. It's always something, so we have to keep up with that. And we work with the software called eSolution. If you're familiar with that, working with claims and things of that such, we acquired this software 2 years ago. Before that, it was very, very manual. So this software is kind of like my baby. Myself and the other young lady I spoke of, we basically have built this software up for our company for medical review. It's our baby. Anyone that comes in, we have to train them on it, and we have to get them familiarized with it, get them entered into the system, stuff like that, so that they can upload documents and things like that. I know a lot of you guys were asking me questions about, oh, Bree, you said something about checks before. Yes, I've always done this job here, but I also used to, in addition, deposit the checks for the whole company. Now, honey, I'm supposed to be helping with that this week, but like I said, we're snowed in, okay? But I just want to kind of give y'all kind of like a brief overview of what I actually do. I don't really help with checks that much anymore, but it's just basically any check that we've got for the company, whether it's Medicare paying us or whether it's a person who's paying out of pocket, whoever we get checks from, I would deposit that. But now we have an awesome young lady who took that over for me. So when she's out, I'll typically help out with that. But I'm snowed in, so I can't be at the office to do that. So it's really gonna have to wait till next week, which really sucks. But you know, we can't help it. Now, if you guys have any other like specific questions, drop them down in the comments, and I will gladly put together a video to answer them for you guys more in depth. But I just want to kind of give you a general broad overview of what I do. I know you guys can't really do anything but really watch me work, because you know, patient information and HIPAA and all that, I can't really show you what I'm doing because it's patient info everywhere. Like, There's nothing that I use that does not have patient info. So I do have a lot of stuff to catch up on because I was off yesterday. So I'm going to try to hammer through majority of that, and then I'll check in with y'all in a little bit.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby.
Alright, you guys, well, I'm done working for the day. I'm about to head downstairs and do this banana pudding dip. Okay, I'm gonna whip it together now, y'all. This is like a condensed version of my original recipe. This is like the quick in a hurry, like if you have a party and you need like a little quick dessert, this is for you. Okay, y'all have been begging me for this. Yes, I have a long process one that I will do later on, but this is the one I did for the Christmas party because it was last minute. I was tired, I was cooking a lot, had a lot to do, so this is the recipe I did, and it's just as good, y'all. The other one is just a lot more detailed and something that was passed along to me, so I'm gonna share this one with y'all, and then at a later date I will do the extended version. But this one, like I said, it literally tastes just the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna whip it together, and then after I let it chill and we eat, I'll come back and show y'all the finished product on the little fancy tray that I have. Okay, so I will see y'all in a second.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life, hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free.